What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can convert dollars to euros in the Revolut app, that being US dollars. Also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Revolut app, you will be on your default homepage right here. Now from the homepage, you will just need to find your dollar account by swiping left or right. Once you're on your dollar account, you would just need to click on this More option right here, the three dots, and select the exchange option, the first one. From here, as a output currency, you would just need to select euros. So for me, it's just auto-selected, but if it's not for you, you can just click on it and then select it right here. Now, once you have your dollars here and your euros below it, you can just input the amount of US dollars that you would like to exchange for euros. So let's say $1 US, and then just go ahead and click Review Order right here. Now on the Review Order screen, you can see the amount of US dollars that will be exchanged for euros, and if any fees are associated. So from here, just go ahead and click Sell USD to Euro. And there we go, pretty instantaneous. So that's guys how you can convert or exchange US dollars for euros in the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.